Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's episode of Multicultural Astronomy, we continue our look into Chinese astronomy, and we'll talk about the astronomer Li Chunfeng and look at his contributions to astronomy. So let's get started. Astronomy does not advance through discovery alone. It also advances through organization, deciding how observations are recorded, how calculations are standardized, and how knowledge is preserved. In ancient China, one of the figures who played a central role in shaping astronomy as an organized science was Li Chunfeng. Li Chunfeng lived during the Tang Dynasty, a period when astronomy was closely tied to governance, timekeeping, and the authority of the state. Calendars were not merely practical tools, but were symbols of cosmic order and political legitimacy. In this environment, astronomy required not only observation and calculation, but consistency and coordination. Li Chunfeng served in official astronomical roles, helping oversee the creation and revision of calendars and astronomical models. His work brought together long-standing observational traditions, mathematical refinements, and institutional record-keeping. Rather than focusing on a single discovery, Li Chunfeng's contribution lay in synthesis, ensuring that astronomical knowledge was coherent, reliable, and usable. Li Chunfeng also played a key role in compiling and commenting on earlier texts. By organizing past observations and methods, he helped preserve centuries of astronomical work and make it accessible to future scholars. This process of preservation and refinement allowed astronomy to function as a cumulative science, building steadily over time. Astronomy depends on continuity. Without standardized calendars, shared methods, and preserved records, even accurate observations can be lost. Li Chunfeng's work ensured that astronomical knowledge remained stable across generations, an essential condition for long-term progress. Li Chunfeng reminds us that science advances not only through insight, but through structure. By organizing, preserving, and standardizing astronomical knowledge, he helped transform astronomy into a lasting institutional practice. His work represents the culmination of centuries of Chinese astronomical tradition, bringing observation, precision, and time together in a unified system. So that concludes this week's episode of Multicultural Astronomy, looking at the astronomer Li Chunfeng. We'll be back again next week to talk about another Chinese astronomer. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.